Okay, this how-to video is going to talk about a DFM partner program that Cadence have introduced. So they've obviously added the DFM rules, the DFM wizards, and what we want is fabricators to start actually giving you information, giving you some rule sets for PCB editor. So if you go to Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whatever you normally use, and then there's a web address we can go to, so it's pcb.cadence.com/DFM customer sign-in. So we'll go through the DFM partner program. It's making it easier to do some manufacturability and get some rule sets here. So what we'll do is we'll sign in with our default kind of Cadence login. So if you've got a COS account, and most people will have a COS account now, you can then sign in with that specific partner program. So I'm just going to sign in with that account. We can then effectively get some defaults about who we are, where we're coming from, what sort of rule sets we're after. So obviously different IPC standards, whether it's a rigid, a flex, or an HDI design. We can put whether we want units or millimeters, and then what rule sets we actually need for our specific design. And then we've got some partner programs that we can actually enable. So if you want to use maybe the Worth Electronics in Germany, for example, this list is obviously can grant from that, and then I can then effectively then contact them with a rules request. So when I request the rules, that will then effectively send an email to those specific that specific partner, and then they will potentially send some rule information to me. I'm not actually going to click on the contact button here, because if I do that, it'll actually send an email, and I'm only demonstrating it here for now. So that gives you a general idea of where you can get some rule sets from using the DFM customer program, and hopefully this list will grow as the more vendors start to sign up to the program.